Outbreeding is an important strategy of animal husbandry because the answer will be it is useful in overcoming inbreeding depression. Inbreeding depression occurs when the closely related animals are bred together, leading to the expression of harmful recessive genes, reduced fertility, and overall lower health in the offspring. Whereas the outbreeding increases genetic diversity and reduces the chances of these harmful genetic effects, thereby improving the health and vitality of the offspring. So the answer is option D. It is useful in overcoming inbreeding depression. Whereas coming to option A, exposes harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by selection. Though outbreeding can produce the expression of harmful recessive gene, it does not expose them in the same way inbreeding does. So inbreeding typically increases the chances of harmful recessive genes being expressed. So option A is incorrect. Option B, it helps in the accumulation of superior genes. Outbreeding can indeed introduce new and beneficial genes into the gene pool, but the primary reason it's used in animal husbandry is to overcome the negative effects of interbreeding. Now, option C is useful in producing pure lines of animals. Outbreeding typically reduces the genetic uniformity necessary to produce purebred animals, so it is not used for this purpose. So option C is incorrect. The answer is option D.